how do you adjust the split screen on the iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So I'm going to be talking about the iPad OS 26, which is the latest release for the iPad. You should go ahead and update to that version if you haven't already. And inside of these settings, you can find the multitasking and the gestures menu, and there are three options for me: the full screen apps, windowed apps, or the stage manager. So obviously the first one doesn't allow any split screen. The second one and third does, but I like to go and use the windowed apps. And it just means that when I open up my Safari, for example, I can grab the bottom right corner and resize the window to make it much smaller. And I can put it to one side. Then I'm going to minimize the app, the window stays like on the side. And then I can open up some other application, whatever else it literally might be. So I'm going to just grab it like that. And again, I have another window. And you can see that we have the split screen feature going on, right? So that's how it works. When the floating windows are around, you can reorganize them as much as you like. But if you want to return back to the original split screen where everything was on the full screen, no other space left, what you can basically do is to grab the window like that and just like flick it to one side, grab the other window and flick it to the other side, and it will take up the half of the page. Exactly, the other window will take up the other half of the page, and you can see that it will be split exactly in the middle with the good old handle right there, which you can grab and adjust the sizing. So this is if you want to return back to the original split screen, but I believe that using the windowed apps is okay, as well as you can see that it's actually much better if you ask me. But if you want to return to the split screen, that's what you need to do. Anyways, that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.